Here's how smart people use their phone to escape poverty today.
The same internet that is making people rich is the same internet keeping others broke. Let me say something most people won't like. In today's world, a smart and focused person can change their financial life with just a phone, internet, consistency. That's how powerful this era is.
Years ago, people stayed poor because access was limited. No information, no audience, no real opportunities. But today, everything has changed. You can learn a skill from your room, sell a product from your phone, reach customers without a physical shop. Opportunity is no longer far. It's in your hand. Because the problem is no longer access, it's distraction.
Before we continue, my website, learnwithblessed.com, is now open. Free tools, free blog. Save your money on courses. Just go learn there. I made it for you. Everything I know is there. The link is in my profile.
Too many people are using powerful tools for useless things, scrolling for hours, arguing online, watching without learning. Day after day, time is going. Nothing is changing. While one person is wasting time, another person is using that same internet to learn valuable skills, build a personal brand, create products, attract customers, build multiple income streams. Same phone, same data, same 24 hours, different mindset.
Dear viewers, the internet is not the problem. How you use it is. Because in this generation, you don't need perfect conditions to change your life. You need focus, consistency, direction. If you truly want to succeed, you must take your growth seriously. That's why I created a website to help you grow. I also have free tools there. Visit my website, learnwithblessed.com, every day. If you learned something valuable from this, comment, "I'm blessed." Please don't forget to follow or subscribe.